purchase process. To optimize the purchasing process in the company, I propose the following changes on that the products purchase die of better quality at a lower cost and with a faster delivery time. There will be several people to buy the products. We will open a purchasing department to centralize this process. Using software, we will plan purchases to classify suppliers according to the quality of the product. We will make many purchases from domestic suppliers whenever possible to take advantage of local production. Many store products increase the investment in raw material. We will reduce waste costs. We will constantly negotiate wider suppliers many products to ensure a lower value. We will buy stationary products that require special attention because they are high consumption. We will by going to visit the suppliers to know them better. We will buy 3 offices for the purchasing department. With 10 employees, we are going to handle much better purchases. We will be going to visit 2 providers every month.